You feel like you're a part of something at the school district.
Doing what I need to do every day to keep the schools going.
I get a satisfaction in knowing that we actually contribute to the learning environment for our students.
I don't think there's a chance to get bored around here.
Maintenance is our title, but you never know what you're going to get into day to day.
Our maintenance department is not just maintenance. We are actually pretty much a full-blown construction department.
Sometimes it's move things, add things.
Carpentry, HVAC, grounds, plumbing, kitchen. We are all a part of something that's bigger.
I get satisfaction in knowing that, hey, what I do has an impact.
I love my opportunity working here. I mean, it's a great place.
The guys that I work directly with, we all get along great.
Able to grow here.
We have just as much fun as we do get things done.
This is the best job I've ever had in my life.
Really a great place to work, if you ask me.
I like it. This is what I do. I'm working on my 30th year in construction, so this is home.
It feels good to work for Berkeley County School District. I feel like I'm making a difference.
It's a blessing and an honor to say that for 25 years, my whole work experience has been here.
I love it. I feel it's rewarding to me that I know that I am an integral part of this big system.
You might not see us, but we're always out there tightening things up and keeping things running correctly, and like I said, making the place look great.
That's our job, to provide a place that's safe and good for the kids to go to.
And I take it with pride. I love my job, I really do.
It's an honor to be able to give back to our community.
I'm grateful to be here at Berkeley County School District, really am.